Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Nur Sharafa binti Sharudin with metric number 2023393521. I'll be discussing about product design innovation level in green design and eco-design. Now, the passage discusses the evolution of environmentally conscious design practices in product design. Eco-design is seen as a positive shift, but it has limitations such as overlooking social dimensions of sustainability and primarily focusing on technical aspects. Next, it gains in efficiency and environmental benefits. It has not effectively addressed the problem of increasing product consumption. Overall, it outlines the history and characteristic of environmentally conscious design in the context of product design. Eco-design is a way of making things more environmentally friendly and sustainable. It is something that we can relate to in our daily life. We can practice an eco-design by being more mindful of what we buy, how we use the product, and what we do with them when we are done. Basically, making things more kinder to the earth and last longer.
Hi, my name is Nur Syafiqah binti Muhammad Amran. My metric number is 2023-125849 and I'm from group KBA 2432B. Today, I will present part 1.2, which is emotional durable design, and subtopic cradles to cradles in part 1.4, nature inspired design. 1.2 Emotional durable design. In this subtopic, it's continuous from the previous topic, which is eco-design. Eco-design offers several design strategies to expand product lifespan, which means a product can be used for a long time. But however, many products are discarded even they still are working well due to changes in trend. For example, do you still remember rollerblade? Where is the product now? Most of us may put it on the store even though it still functions well, because nowadays people slowly less interest about it. So it can be relate, right? Other than that, there are four main determinants that influence product attachment, which is self-expression, means we can use the product itself, group affiliation, memories, and enjoyment. To easy to understand, they need to consider a lot of aspects to make sure people will interesting with that particular product. Now we move to the challenges. As we know, everything that we want to do usually have several challenges that we need to solve properly. First of all, the most challenges is customer may interpret the product differently based on cultural, social, and personal factors. In other words, different people will have a different opinion and suggestion. So that we definitely can produce one product that will satisfy everyone's needs. Next, extending product lifespan may not benefit to environment. For example, plastic bags that are difficult to dispose will have a bad effect on the earth. Lastly, manufacturers may reject these strategies because it will affect their sale. To make it more easy to understand, example of our pen. If we continue use the same pen in long time without need to buy a new one, then what will happen to the newly produced pen every day? Definitely no one will buy, right? So they can't increase their sale. So here I already put emotional durable design example, which is do scratch drop design. Basically, do scratch drop design is a black painted lamp. User can scratch the surface to liberate the area where the light can pass through. In this action, allow user to personalize their lamp and create a unique product. Usually, the scratch design is a reflection of a person's emotion. For example, if a person in a happy mood, a scratch design will be beautiful, while a stressed person will produce a weird or strange design.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nur Farhana binti Hazmi. My metric number is 2023368253. This slide discusses the concept of design for sustainable behavior, DFSB, and its importance in addressing environmental and social challenges related to product design and user behavior. Design researchers have started exploring the role of designing in influencing user behavior. They have developed approaches, tools, and guidelines that focus on designing products in a way that encourage sustainable behavior. Here's a breakdown of the main points. The eco-design approach is introduced as a way for designers to reduce the environmental impact of a product throughout its entire life cycle. This approach focuses on various strategies to make products more environmentally friendly. Then, for the applications of design for sustainable behavior can be found in various areas, including environmental sustainability, promoting healthier lifestyles, and enhancing safety in built environments. These applications can extend to various design contexts from product to product, service system, mobile interactions, and built environments design. While there is no ununified model for design for behavior change, the text mentions 4 basic principles found in most approaches: making it easier for people to adopt desired behavior, making it harder to perform undesired behavior, making people want desired behavior, and making people not want undesired behavior. Lastly, the FSB also faces challenges and limitations, including ethical concern about designers and companies influencing user behavior, a lack of metrics to measure the effects of the FSB strategies, potential environmental trade-off, and the financial incentive for businesses to implement their strategies.
1.4 Nature-inspired design. This article talks about 2 approaches in design think with nature in mind for sustainability. 2 approaches that mention is cradle-to-cradle CTC design and biomimicry design (BM). So now I will present the first approaches, which is cradle-to-cradle design. This design make a product and material in a way to imitate how nature works. The idea is the waste from one thing can become the food for something else, just like nature. For example, Nike considered is a shoes line that follows CTC principles by making shoes easier to recycle and using material close to the factory.
It looks to nature for inspiration. It offered 3 levels of biomimicry, mimicking forms, processes, and ecosystem in nature. Lotus sign, which is special paint that cleans itself like a lotus leaf. When rain or water touch it, it washes away dirt and prevent the growth of tiny organisms. Design for base of the pyramid, BOP. It refers to the poorest portion of the global population living. The BOP represents the worst economically disadvantaged and marginalized communities, and strategies for designing products and services to meet their needs. This article is about how to design and create products and services to help the world's poorest people. It discusses different strategies and tools for designers, businesses, and researchers to develop solutions. It also talks about challenges and criticism of this approach and provides. The challenges based on this article is lack of market information, high barrier to access to credits, inadequate infrastructures, and low literacy and educational levels.
My name is Siti Umira binti Nur Hisham and my matric number 2023389345. Okay, now let's move on to product service system innovation level. Firstly, product innovation is important to reducing the environmental impact of product and production process.
but it is not enough to achieve sustainability. Okay, next, product service system, a promising approach to sustainability. Product service system also deliver value to customer through the delivery of function instead of product. Okay, next. Product service system can decouple economic value from material and energy consumption.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nuri Marini binti Jaafar and my matrix number is 2023399451. Product service systems can be difficult to design, implement and bring to the mainstream. More research is needed on user behaviors, the diffusion of product service systems and the transfer of product service systems design knowledge to companies. The example for product service systems, River Simple is a British company that manufactures hydrogen-powered car and sells mobility as a service. Customer list the car by paying a monthly fee that covers the use of the car, the maintenance, the insurance and the fuel. This makes the company economically interested in making car that lasts as long as possible and that is as efficient as possible.